Hey guys, welcome to Keerthana Cooks. Today let's see a classic and intensely flavorful chicken recipe from Tamil Nadu. It's none other than the Chettinad Chicken Masala. If you're new to my channel, I'm Keerthana and I post food videos at least twice a week. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Now let's get started. To a hot pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, some cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, a tablespoon of peppercorns, a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 3 to 4 dry red chilies, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Let's dry roast this nicely until it turns golden brown and you start to smell the aroma of these spices. Now it's almost golden brown. Let's transfer this to a mixer jar and let's keep it aside. Now let's dry roast our coconut. I have around half cup of grated coconut here. Let's dry roast it until it turns golden brown. Our coconut is nice and golden brown. We can add our coconut to the spice mixture in the mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Now to a hot pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of oil and some curry leaves. I have used sesame oil here and I'm adding in some sliced onion. Around 1 cup of onion goes in. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's fry until the onion turns golden brown. Now I'm adding in some turmeric, half cup of sliced tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook until it turns soft and we'll add around 500 grams of bone-in chicken. Let's cook until the chicken turns a bit white. The chicken is turning white. Now it's time for us to add some salt. Adding in around a teaspoon of salt. You can add the required amount of salt and cook the chicken. Now I'm going to add the ground spices. I'm adding all the spices that I have grinded. Now I'm adding half cup of water. If you want it to be very dry, you can just leave it with this. I want my chicken chettinad masala to be a little bit in gravy sort of consistency. So I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. Yeah, it looks good now. So this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Let's saute the chicken nicely and cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Our chicken is almost completely cooked. Let's cook until the oil comes out. The oil starts to oozes out on the side. Our chicken chettinad is now ready. Let's garnish it with some cilantro leaves. Hope you guys like this recipe. Please definitely try it out and let me know in the comment section. See you soon with another tasty recipe.